Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to watch movies on Stremio on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the App Store app on your mobile device and get to the search section by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, search for Stremio in the top search bar and give it a go. After searching, you will see the Stremio app appear in the search results. Make sure to install the app by tapping on the download button next to it. This will initiate the download process, and once it's complete, the app will be installed on your iPhone. Once the app is downloaded, open it up by tapping on the Stremio icon. You may be prompted to sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can easily create one by providing your email address and setting a password. After signing in, you can browse through the available series and movies on the app's home screen. Simply select the series or movie you like by tapping on its thumbnail or title. This will take you to the contents details page where you can read a synopsis and see related content. So that's basically how you can watch movies on Stremio on iPhone. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.